why is 1/2 the same as 2/4? There's a few ways to explain this. I like to start by looking at a picture. So we have 1/2 here, and we have 1/2 here. And this whole thing is a whole. And now let's do another picture. Let's actually copy this exact same thing. And now I can erase the inside of this. And now let's make that into 4 different pieces. So that means this is 1/4, this is 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Okay? And it's asking us to show why is 1/2 the same as 2/4. So 1/2 would be this whole thing, right? Because I covered in one of the 1/2s. This is a very important thing to know. And now it's saying, so now this is 1/2. And now how do I do the same with 2/4? Well, let me cover in 2 of these guys. So that's 2/4. And by now you can kind of see that they're the same, because if I was to now when I overlap these guys, look at this. Wow, they're equivalent. Okay, they are equivalent. You can see right away from this that they cover the same amount of the rectangle, which is half of it. Okay, so if you have covered 2 1/4 regions and 1 1/2 region, you have the same amount. And that's why 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Right, so from here, we can see that. Now, another thing to just briefly note, we're going to go into this deeper, is if I go and multiply the top by 2 and the bottom by 2, what happens? 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so if I ask you, can you give me an equivalent fraction of 2/4, what can you do? Well, we can take this 2, let's multiply it by another 2, let's multiply this 4 by another 2, and what do you get? You get 4/8. And when we split a rectangle or any figure into 8 equal parts, and we shade in 4 of it, guess what? It's gonna be 1/2. It's gonna look like this, just with more equal parts. We're gonna have 8 equal parts instead of 4. We're gonna have and it's all. But the point is, it's all gonna look like this. It's all gonna cover the same amount of the region.